everybody. Thanks for joining us today. I want to thank our patient here who's going to allow us to go over our earlobe repair today. He, as you can see, had some gauges in his ears. The maximum diameter he had in there was about 1/2 inch, and most recently he had downsized to about 1/4 inch. And he's had them in as recently as last week. But he's decided to move on and repair these ear gauges, these earlobes. And so as you can see, I'm kind of showing you the earlobe here, and almost pretty much a perfect circle there that wants to almost give us a little bit of a linear closure when I do that. He does not have a split earlobe per se, so this is going to be a little bit of a different kind of take. What I'm planning on doing is just going in, and you can see where I've made my mark right here and here. I'm going to go full thickness on both sides and basically kind of cut out the donut, and then eventually we're just going to kind of close it up, and the earlobe shouldn't really have too much of a loss of its shape. If we were to close it up and down, we would deform the earlobe like this. So what we're going to do is kind of let it close the way it wants to, and again, kind of cut this whole area out. So follow along with us, and we'll show you step by step. All right, we're going to get started now. You can see I've got my scalpel, and what we're going to do is we're going to just incise gently to do something what we call basically recreate the defect. Gauge is cut out, perfect circle. That's where the gauge was, and there it is. So you can see here the defect has been removed, full thickness on both sides, and what we're going to do now is we're going to suture this earlobe back together like this. All right, so this side is complete. As you can see, we have a very nice repair. The earlobe is intact. It did not deform the earlobe really at all. Here is our gauge donut that we've cut out. You can see we put some simple 4/0 clear nylon sutures in the front as well as on the back. And we'll leave those in place for about a week or so, let that kind of heal up, and then we'll take them out in the office. So again, very nice successful repair. Get a little closer on that. And you can see gauge is gone, and that should leave a very minimal scar, so looks great.